Hello, I'm David Price from Weed and Medicine. Welcome from Costa Rica. If you're interested to learn a really simple hack in order to let go of emotions and energies that no longer serve you, watch this little brief intro video. I'm going to give you a little insight into a hack that we can do just by using our own divine healing imagination to let go of an energy or frequency that no longer serves us. All right, so let's jump straight into it. Okay, take a moment to think of something that bothers you. It could be something in the future, something from the past, like a feeling that's got a negative charge. So a feeling that creates anxiety or fear or shame or guilt or something that comes up. Take a moment to close your eyes, put your hand on your heart and just tune into it. So what is it that's been bothering you? What is it that's coming up that you'd like to release today? And then once you've tuned into it, just feel where you feel that in the body. So if you feel anxiety, there's a high chance you're going to feel that around your solar plexus. So just tuning into that and then just grade it in your mind. How strong is that? How strong is that feeling? Okay, once you've done that, what you've done is you've activated the circuit in the amygdala area of the brain. And now the body knows that we're actually working on something to release. Okay, so what we do at this stage is we have to set a clear intention to release this energy that no longer serves us. So what I like to do is just put my hand on my heart and say, divine healing intelligence, great mystery, I'm calling on your wisdom and your guidance to release this emotion, this frequency, this energy that is no longer of service to me. And I release that on all levels of my being. As I command my words out into the cosmos, then so it is. Abracadabra. Close your eyes, place one hand on your heart, and give yourself permission to pay attention and to listen to the sound of my voice. I want you to really use your creative, childlike imagination to picture yourself standing on a beautiful tropical beach. What does that look like to you? Notice the colours in the sky. Notice how vivid they are. Really make them more colourful, more vivid. So if you're seeing a blue, really just amplify that colour right now. And then look at the colour of the ocean. Maybe you can see blue or turquoise, whatever it is. Just again, make it more vivid. Take a slow, deep breath in through the nose. And as you exhale, give your healing intelligence permission to go twice as deep, twice as relaxed. As you now are listening to the sound of the waves, how do they sound to you? How does that healing frequency of the waves resonate with you? Just listen to that wave crashing in against the shore. And as you're listening to the wave, give yourself permission to feel the warmth of the sun. Noticing the sun on the top of your head and noticing the temperature of the sand beneath your feet. Is it hot? Is it warm? Just pay attention to that. And as you're paying attention to the sand and the warmth of the sun, notice what you notice as you take another deep breath in, and as you exhale, go twice as deep and pay attention to the sound of the waves once again. Very good. Just allowing yourself now to take a few steps along the shore, activating all of your sensory receptors and allowing the imagination to really allow yourself to feel. How does that feel to be on that beach? Just be there now. Noticing that feeling of serenity, of calm, of peace, because you know you're in your happy place. And you're allowing yourself to just really listening to the crashing of the waves, noticing this beautiful, brilliant blue sky. And now just making everything more vivid, making the sound a little bit more louder, and really allowing yourself to be encoded with this feeling that you know you feel when you're standing there at the ocean, maybe watching the sun setting, as you notice the oranges and the yellows and the sky changing colour. That feeling you get when you watch that sunset, allowing it to be encoded in the body, giving yourself permission to release anything that doesn't serve you. 3, 2, 1, open your eyes, and we're back. So now just go back to that same feeling or the memory that you had that caused the feeling and tune into that now. Really just tune into it and notice the charge of that. Has it gone up? Has it stayed the same? Or has it gone down? And what you'll probably find is that that feeling has come down considerably just with 3 or 4 minutes of using this God-given imagination to create the chemicals and the frequencies in the body that flood the brain with this intelligence that allows the amygdala to start to unlock these emotions that maybe we've been carrying that no longer served us or serve us. Okay, so I hope that you have enjoyed that. It's a very, very simple practice, and it's really at the core and the heart of what we do here at We the Medicine and what we teach with the Divinity Pathways, which is a method on how to really go deep onto this and unlock all of these emotions, these memories that we've been carrying that just no longer serve us, that kind of keep our frequency low. So thank you so much. If you've enjoyed it, please like, please share it, please send it to a friend that could do with this. This really, really helps us to get seen. So thank you so much. Aho from the forest of wonder and joy, and we see you on the other side. Abracadabra.